Hi, and here we are again with another episode of Hear Yourself. We continue the story of new products, but today with a design perspective. I hope you loved our Glow series in the last episode, which was on acoustical lighting. Do press the like icon on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Insta, wherever you find our videos. Our Hear Yourself videos dedicated to architectural acoustics and noise control are featured on our website anutone.com under the media tab. Do go and have a look. This episode is about megaperfs, and our engineers at Anutone have taken the concept of megaperfs or mega size perforations, large size perforations to a whole new level. Earlier it could only be a painted surface, but now you can get wide choice of finishes in colors wherein it is highly water and fire resistant as well as being tough and durable. First is Slim Mega Perfs. Soft look, fabric finish, wide choice of colors and needs no painting. Both in 2x2 grid ceiling tiles as well as 8x4 large format wall panels. 4 Mega Perfs starting with Slim Ranurado in a slotted perforations which is highly directional, can make a space look taller or shorter, wider or narrower. Then is Mega Squares as in Slim Quadrado, both in 25 mm or 50 mm squares. This is Slim Circulo in 25 mm or 50 mm diameter, discs, mega discs. And finally we have what we love the most, Slim Cosmos, with 3 types of perforations, random, for variable sound absorption. Each of the Slim Megaperfs is backed by the Strand Ebony backer board as an acoustical substrate for better sound absorption and rigidity. Next is Salon Megaperfs. If you wanted a wooden finish with a choice of wood grains and shades, different colors, then look no further than our Salon series. First again is Salon Ranurado. You can see 2 types of slotted perforations here. We can give you many more. Next is the Mega Squares, Salon Quadrado in 25 or 50 mm squares. And then is the Salon Circulo. You have mega discs as circular perforations. And the new kid on the block, Salon Cosmos, random perforations, variable sound absorption. Salon Megaperfs backed with acoustical fleece for sound impedance and hence sound absorption. Third in today's video is Top Block Megaperfs. We are back to a paintable surface to complete the circle, but this time you get fire and water resistance, antifungal because it is paperless and monolithic. With antibacterial painting, you get an antimicrobial false ceiling and wall paneling. Just the perfect interiors for today's virus times. And so you have Top Block Ranurado, slotted perforations for a true seamless finish. As also you have Top Block Quadrado and Top Block Circulo, same with the Mega Squares or the Mega Circular perforations. And our favorite, new for 2020, Top Block Cosmos. Same 3 types of perforations for variable sound absorption, apart from the benefits of Tough Block being tough. Tough Block Megaperfs with white fleece or black fleece for acoustical sound absorption via impedance. Finally, the Duo and Wave Megaperfs. You know what? Our engineers went beyond and came up with acoustical baffles which match the Megaperfs in all the 3 finishes: Slim Fabrics, Salon Wood and Tough Block Magnesia. So you have Slim Duo Megaperfs as in Cosmos, Sonator Duo Megaperfs as in Ranurado and in Circulo, can also be in Quadrado and other Megaperfs. Sonator Wave Megaperfs, this one is Quadrado and is slightly different from the Duo that you saw just now, as in the fleece is sandwiched in the Sonator Wave. Similarly, you can have top block, wave, mega puffs. From a design perspective, the possibilities are immense. Take for example one mega puff, the Cosmos, and you can have different surface finishes in the same building depending on the aesthetic and functional requirements. So the lobby of a building can be top block Cosmos in 8x4 seamless continuous surface finish and painted to any color, along with 2x2 grid ceiling tiles wherever the plenum needs access. For the large lecture halls and seminar halls, you can go for slim Cosmos. That's because of more sound absorption is required in these kind of specialty spaces. For the auditorium, where you need sound reflection, sound diffusion, and sound absorption, what better product than the Salon Cosmos? For the corridors or the cafeteria, why not go for the Duo series? Salon Duo Cosmos would be a good choice. And if you have an indoor swimming pool in the same building, how about going for top block wave Cosmos with its high humidity control in terms of RH99 functional feature? Only with Anutone is such a theming possible. As you stay home, stay safe. Team Anutone has a message for you.
ਮਣਿਆ ਕੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੈ ਔਖਾ, ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਨੂੰ ਧੋਖਾ। ਇਸ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਿਲ ਦੀ ਘੜੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਾਰ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਕਰੋਨਾ ਨੂੰ ਹਰਾ ਕੇ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਖੁਸ਼ਹਾਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਬਾਹਰ ਨਾ ਜਾਣਾ ਨਾ ਆਣਾ, ਬਾਹਰ ਨਾ ਜਾਣਾ ਨਾ ਆਣਾ, ਵੱਖ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ। ਅਸੀਂ ਹੋਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਤੇ ਰਲ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਪਾਰ ਪਾ ਜਾਣਾ, ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਪਾਰ ਪਾ ਜਾਣਾ।
घर में रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए, तभी हम होंगे कामयाब।
दिस जातील दिस येतील, भोग सरल सुख येईल।
May the 4th be with you. May the force be with you. Thank you. Bye-bye.